we show you. I think it's a timeout. Oh no, there we go. Okay, this is the IP address that we are going to configure the target, the SCSI target. On this VM, I'm going to set the initiator to mount the target that is provided by this host. So first of all, we need to make sure that what we're going to export as a target. I'm going to create a new disk, so I'm going to go to my FDV disk because it's one of the you need to start with that point. So I'm going to create a new with like I'm going to create like a 650 megabytes. So print, okay, and write. I'm going to part of this. Okay. Okay, now I got a disk. So if I check disk, def sdv1, I have, okay, it said dash print, no, q dash l. So come on. Okay, I got this disk with this size. Okay, this is all that we have now. So in that point, we can just set as a LVM or as a regular disk. So it doesn't matter. The point is that you need to know on the questions, on the exam, they need to provide or explain you if the disk needs as a regular disk or as part of a volume group or something like that. Okay, I try to find a documentation right now, but I don't know where I put it, so I think we have good to go. Okay, in that exercise we are working on this whole disk SDV1. We are not going to to partition on different, no, we're going to use this and as complete to mount on the on the initiator, right? Okay, let me part a second. Okay, so you can also check here with this command. I'm going to clear. We say part is on def sdv1, right? Unit in gigabytes or megabyte in that case, but it's okay, you can do it whatever you want. When I say that print and free space, you can see in gigabytes how it looks, but you can specify also with megabytes. It's gonna be this size. Okay, so let's start now. What you need to install first? Okay, in order to work with SCSI, you need to install it's a yum install -y target CLI. Okay, this is one RPM that you need to install. I see one question says, so we are going to export the disk root partition from, no, root no, we are going to export one new file system, new partition. Okay, now it's installing the RPM. Just a second. Okay, it's slow, but it's taking time. Oh, so I don't know what is wrong. Okay. Okay, it's testing. Okay, on the target, on the system that we are going to mount this file, this new target SCSI, you need to install one RPM. We need to figure out if it's installed or not on the system. Is when I see jump what provides, I want to say iSCSI SCSI. Okay, just to save time because it's okay. Here is installing. Yeah, it's so slow, and also here is looking for the package. Okay. Okay, loading, installing. I'm going back and forward to save time on this session. Okay, so still there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, the package that we need here is that one. It's a iSCSI initiator utils. So I'm going to, yeah, I just copy it. Just wait when this command finish. I'm going to install this RPM. Okay, this package. Oh, still here. Okay. Oh, complete. Nice. Let me see here. Still loading. Okay. Okay. Yeah, finish. Come on. I'm going to control break. No, it's not working. Okay, here. Now, after they install the right package, we need to do a few things before. First, systemctl enable right target. It's very, very important. Enable the target right away after you install one service. The second one, oh, it's allowed to finish. It's not finished. Okay, the second one is a start the service, right? Start. Oh, start. Okay, now we start the service. Please mute your microphone, your mic, please. Okay, it's starting, and now here I'm going to see jump install, and you remember the RPM that I copied this package. I want to see if the package is installed or not on the system. Okay, it's a start. Now, in order to start working with the targets and NMC and SCSI drive, I'm going to, oh, wait a minute. Okay, here we go. Okay, second. Okay, sorry about that. Please mute your mic. Please. I hear my voice twice. The question you can answer, I write the question over the chat. Okay? Okay, now in order to start, you can start with the target CLI. Okay? And now you open the utility, right? See, now it's a command line over here. So there are a few things that you need to know first. I prefer to use the ls, and you can see everything. We need to create a backstores. In backstore, we can create a block, a file, or PSCSI, or a run disk. There are 4 choices of storage. On the exam, pretty much we create a block, but it's gonna be the same procedure to create a file and the other two. In this demonstration, we're going to create a backstores, a block. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do cd. I'm going to backstores. I'm going to say a block create. I'm going to create def. Oh, sorry, def sdb. Oh, why is it not working? Oh, okay, sorry. Going to create cd blocks. Okay, create the name. Sorry. So we go, let me go back. Go to backstore and say block create the name of the block. I'm gonna say block 1. Type of block underscore 1, right? And the path of the disk FTP1, right? I create a block device now. I do ls. You can see the block device. Where is my mouse? I don't. I see my mouse now. Okay, you can see this with this, and the size. Okay. After you create a block, you need to create the SCSI IQN. So do ls. Say I want to say create IQN dot. This is very important. You need to follow this this naming convention, like IQN dot year 4 digits dash month 2 digits dot and any explanation like com is on this domain and dot, and then I'm gonna say like a server and server target. I will say target server. It's any name that you can identify. I want to say server 1, for example. I hit enter and verify ls, and you can see now I have my target, my IQN. Okay, so I go to CD. Now I see the how it looks the block, now the IQN, and now I need to create the ACL. Okay, in order to allow the server that going to mount this this block. Okay, first I'm going to ACL. I'm going to say create. I'm going to say AQN dot 217-02.com.example that is going to be on client 1, right? But my client 1 is RHCE73C. It doesn't matter. You can specify any name over here. It's just for identification. Enter. Okay, I go to back. I want to see how it looks. You see, it looks very well. But now you need to create a lumps. Okay, lumps. You want to say, see, you can hit create. And in order to create the lumps, you go to backstore, and you create a lumps using this block. You see, you create a lump using this block inside the AC, inside the IQN. Okay, the IQN have one client with that lump. You can create a multiple block device, and then you can create a multiple IQN in order, or you can create 2 blocks, 1 IQN and 2 ACLs, and 1 ACL for one target and 1 ACL for another target. Okay, after that you almost finished. We need to create a portal. If you see here, it's on that 0.0.0.0. It does exist. So I'm going to here, I'm going to do delete 00 and 3260, and now I'm going to create with my IP address. Okay, enter. I do ls, and now looks very well. After this, we finish. We go here and we go type exit. After the exit is the target CLI, just save the config for us. Okay. Now we need to do one more thing before moving to the other server. We need to open the firewall. Okay, firewall.cmd permanent. Oh, sorry. Come on. Hello. Just froze. Here. It's working. Ctrl C. a control break. Here we go. Okay, it's dash dash permanent. It's so slow. I don't know what is wrong with that VM. There we go, permanent, but still slow. Oh, permanent dash dash add service equal, right? 3260 dash is a TCP, right? Hit enter. Wait for it. Oh, what? Oh, it's not a service, it's a port. I do it wrong, it's a port. Okay. 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 Success. And now do like now I'm gonna do that. Reload. Okay. In order to reload everything. The IQN is you need to create the IQN. I don't have any good explanation of the IQN now. It's just the steps you need to create the IQN. That's mean, I don't know right now. I just focus on this in how to do it. Okay, still loading. Oh, okay, success. Now I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to choose target, CLI, and LS. Right? You can use that. You can send a command to a target CLI LS. It's gonna show you now everything. You see? This is everything. Well, now we have this. For this other system, we need this CLI, right? We're going to copy, right? And this CLI, you need to put it on bin XC iSCSI initiator, right? You need to put this here because if you don't put it here, it doesn't work. Okay, I'm going to delete everything else. Right now, right and quick, and now you go to systemctl and start iSCSI. Oh, too many. Yeah, that way. You're going to start the service, and also you're going to enable the service, right? There are a good thing about this SCSI initiator. There are a command that you need to now for discover the service, and then for wait a minute. One for discover and the other one for logging to this IQN, right? So, but let me show you one quick. Let me close this a little bit. Not too many things. Okay, this is the command iSCSI and ISC. Okay, SCSI amen. I want to say like this. You can go to the man page because it's easiest to figure out. You go to the very end, and you can see this line how to discover, and you don't need to memorize nothing. It's very fast. You can find the line, and now you can replace with the right IP that 173. Okay, wait 11 seconds. Now you can see this is the target. the IQN. If you go back here, you can see the target over here. See? Okay, this is for discover our where. Now to mount, we go back again, go back to it, and you have a login to there. We have this is the login. We just copy, okay, Q, paste, very easy. And now here you only need to change, well, one you need to change the IP, and the other you need to change the IQN where you are trying to log in. 1702 sample that server 1 and enter. Success. You see? Success. Now, how do you verify this? There are a few more options. You can do iSCSI AMD -m session, right? -p3. You can see here is running. Also, you can verify here the portal and everything, what is importing. You can see also the disk, I think. No, not the disk. But you can see the attached SDC is attached. Okay. Also, you can verify on CD, is on bar, lib, lib, iSCSI, right? Mode, nodes. You see? Now have this SCSI drive, and now we have the default. And if you cut this file, for example, you can see everything for the records. See? The score. Pretty much interesting parts over here. Well, now let's go back and see. We have now the disk, how to mount on the system. You can do RHCE, enter, and you can see the block number 1. Block number 1. See? Okay, now we are going to do something like make a file system as a XFS file system on the SDC, right? This is the disk. We're going to create a file system over here. There we go. Now, anytime, I'm going to create a mount point, make dir of an iSCSI XFS, right? I'm going to say like the block ID. I'm going to grab for SDC. See how it looks. Come on. Here you go. I'm going to append this to my FS tab, right? Let me copy this just in case. I'm going to be my FS tab, right? I'm going down. I'm doing this very fast because this part of FS tab is easy for you. We don't need to think about this. So here, tab, I'm gonna say paste. This is the mount point, right? But it's gonna be over here. And the file system, XFS, I'm gonna say it's defaults. And make sure you put something like underscore net def, okay? And 1, 2, okay? To mount, I'm gonna say mount-a to mount before reboot. I'm going to, where's the iSCSI drive? It's empty. I'm going to touch like a file. File. I'm going to say I want to create 100 files. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to reboot this. Okay, going to reboot. Going to reboot this station. Okay. Just one more thing. Any questions so far? Okay, it's better if you type the question, but anyway, go ahead. Go ahead, ask. I will try to figure out. The port, you mean the port? This port over here? Is that your question? Yes, 3260. Well, is why you are going to change this port? Why? This is the question. You can test. You can test. Anyway, you can test, and after you change the port number, you need to open this on the firewall, and then you can try when you do the discover. Let me show you here. When you do the login, you need to specify to which port. Okay? The discover, no. But when you try to log in again, you need to change the port. If you change the port over here. But I think that you can test and check if you can switch the port. I try to SSH back to the server. Okay, come on, give me some time. Nothing yet. Oh, come on. Okay. Yes, I'm restarting the server in order to. Okay, what is the other question? Yes. Yeah, it's the initiator. Let me show you. It's over here. I bounced in the server, that's why I can't show you now. Because I bounce in order to demonstrate that the change or the client mounts the target. So the file, oh, it's right here. It's that one. This is the file. And this is the RPM that you need to double check if installed on your system. Yes, and the value inside is point to Red Hat, so to another IQN. So it never going to mount nothing because it's pointing as an example. Yes, yeah, this is for discovery, and also you don't need to memorize this. It's on the man page. It's on the man page. You don't need to memorize it. After you get the target, or you can read the target name here, you need to know at least the ACL in order to change your initiator name iSCSI. Then you can discover using the IP address what is the target, the QN target, and then you can mount or log in using this target. But at least you need to know this, the ACL. But on the exam, they're going to give you everything, or not give you everything. You need to configure everything. So let me trying to SSH back to the system. I don't know why it's so slow today, but it's alright. Yeah. No, no, go ahead. I'm just waiting for this server. The ACL entries. That's correct. It's over here because it's kind of the you create the ACL, and if the client don't have the ACL on your configuration file, I don't allow you to connect to my target. So it's both, it's for security, you know. No one can connect to my target if I don't have the ACL for that client, at least. Oh, it's so slow. Why is slow? I'm trying to. Oh, here we go. Let me show you my. The VM is loading. You see? No kidding. So slow. You see now it's doing something. I don't know what it's doing. Reaching system initial. Okay, let me expand this a little bit more. Okay, just 1 second. Okay. Another question. Okay, it's now mounting or doing something, I think. Oh, there we go. Now it's doing. Okay, you can see now it's mounting the file system. It's now reaching the target. Okay, it's file system. Okay, record. Okay, there. Make it clean up. Okay, I think it's good to go. Let me move this over here. I'm going to try to SSH again into the system. Oh no, now it's, oh wait. Okay, now it's mounting everything. You see? The NFS, the NIC, the service, also SSH is not open yet. And sometimes this take nothing, just say. You see now it's running a John LVM. Okay. Something goes wrong. No enable. What is not enabled? Okay, finally. Okay. It's mounting the file system. I don't see yet the target. There you go, the OpenSCSI. Okay. I think we are good to go with the SSH session. Come on. Oh, this is taking too long. Just to reboot. Well, let me see, at least I can pin it. Oh no, time out. Oh, starting network service. There we go. Yes, go ahead. Wait, any configuration file that you need to back up? No, no. If you see we have a problem mounting the file system, you see here, it's a fail, it's a dependency or something. You see, it failed on after the reboot. You see, there's something wrong. Also, there's service that failed. So yeah, it's taking too much time to load everything. Even the host, I don't know why it's taking too long, but this is the way. Oh, come on. Now it's doing one more thing. Starting hostname service. Sometimes the VMs goes crazy, and this is that I hate. This, you see, now it's failing something, but okay, fail, but give me a console. You see, it's failing on the network, on the whatever that he's doing, but it don't give me time to troubleshoot nothing. But this is how we configure the iSCSI drive. We mount, we create files, but after the reboot we have some issues, but we don't know yet. Let me try to SSH. Let me move this, and let me try to SSH. At least nothing. We can SSH. We can, there we go, we can pin at least, but here we don't have nothing yet. Yeah, probably it's a typo on the desktop. It's something like that. That's why I need to verify. But I need to access to the console. That's why. I don't have any option over here. Like I can do something like a Control F2, F1. Nothing. I'm just waiting now. It's not a typo on the desktop because I mount using the mount-e. Oh, here we go. Got a console. Nothing. Well, look at that. I got a console over here. So I'm gonna be helped. Also, the login is slow. I want to open. Okay. Ah, you don't allow me to log in as root. Oh, very password. I'm trying. Whoosh. Time out. Time out to what? That's really awesome. I don't know what's wrong with this VM. Also, it's taking too much time, you know? It's taking too much time, so I'm going to, oh no, here we go. Okay, let's see, too many R's. R root, enter. Sorry. Come on. Password. Okay. You know, it's something wrong with this VM. I'm going to shut down. Okay, now I'm going to power on. Come on. This is the client. Yeah.